What's going on, guys? It's the Stock Guru back at it again, the coolest stock trader on YouTube, showing you how I made money today, how I was able to make 20% profit shorting the S&P today, or the S&P's ETF SPY, the SPY. So yeah, let's get right into it, guys. This morning, SPY was opening up a decent amount. I can't remember exactly what it was, but I was expecting, a gap fill, which is what we eventually got throughout the morning here. But I, of course, have a plan for both sides. I decided I would either, at the market open, be trading above the pre-market high, or not pre-market high, but this high right here, or I would be trading below this support right here. So obviously I did end up trading below the support, but what happened this morning is this support broke before I was even able to get in. As you can see, it broke here during the pre-market. I can zoom in there a little bit more so you guys can actually see the thing. All right. As you can see, this area was broken early in the pre-market, or early right before the market opened. So I didn't get to play that trade, but of course I did have patience today. Actually, there was a point where I was like, I might not even take a trade today, only a couple of minutes, but I did end up getting the trade, and this happened right here, right during this correction right here. I decided I would either go long above this area, which is a technical formation, if it was able to reverse there, or I would get in short with the continuation of the move down. And that's exactly what happened here. So I got below this low, but not of the low of this wick right here. Let me zoom in again. Oh, that's a little too much. Let's go like this. Okay. You can see we had this long wick. I did not like that. So what I actually did is I got short below the bottom of these two candlesticks right here. That's where I ended up getting short. So I got in right here at 946. Now, what happened here is we moved down below where I wanted to get in, and then we did push up here for a second here, and I actually got close to stopping out, but I didn't. It rolled back over, and then I was able to take some profits on this move here. Just a nice short little scalp. I took profits at 948, and I was able to make 20%. So let me go and show you the trades here. You can see I bought two contracts at 946, and I sold at 948. I had two buys here, at 946. And I got these for $1.04 per contract. And I ended up getting out at $1.24 per contract. So that's a 20% gain here this morning, guys. Super easy, just technical formations, just having some patience, waiting for the move we want. And that's how we do it. So if you guys are interested in joining my Discord group, it's totally free. And I share my trade ideas in there all the time, and there's a bunch of other traders who are sharing their ideas. So you can go ahead and add me right here. This is my Discord, and just shoot me a DM, and I'll give you the invitation to the Discord group. But yeah, other than that, guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and click my link below. I've got a lot more videos like this, and guys, I promise you're gonna learn something from every video I put out. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.